southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, patchy fog in the morning. Mostly sunny. Between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Beaufort, Bryan, Bullock, Chatham, Effingham, Jasper, Liberty, and Scranton. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Radio All-Hazards Station GA&SC 85 by the National Weather Service Office in Charleston, South Carolina.